Torrential slide value equivalent to 377.46 rands a coin. The present cost range, 342.64, 380.73. The earlier day close, 357.45. The change was plus 20.01. Plus 5.60%. Backwards rate, ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, February 21. Cost 351 rands, high 376, low 326. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, February 22. Cost 354 rands, high 379. Low 329. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, February 23. Cost 369 rands, high 395, low 343. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, February 24. Cost 351 rands, high 376, low 326. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, February 27. Cost 387 rands, high 414. Low 360. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, February 28. Cost 401 rands, high 429, low 373. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, Walk 1. Cost 397 rands, high 425, low 369. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, Walk 2. Cost 396 rands, high 424. Low 368. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, Walk 3. Cost 397 rands, high 425, low 369. In about 14 days torrential slide estimate on Monday, Walk 6. Cost 402 rands, high 430, low 374. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, Walk 7. Cost 362 rands, high 387. Low 337. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, Walk 8. Cost 350 rands, high 375, low 326. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 9. Cost 368 rands, high 394, low 342. Torrential slide estimate on Friday, Walk 10. Cost 359 rands, high 384. Low 334. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, Walk 13. Cost 343 rands, high 367, low 319. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, Walk 14. Cost 336 rands, high 360, low 312. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, Walk 15. Cost 340 rands, high 364. Low 316. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, Walk 16. Cost 333 rands, high 356, low 310. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, Walk 17. Cost 370 rands, high 396, low 344. In about a month torrential slide estimate on Monday, Walk 20. Cost 368 rands, high 394. Low 342. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, Walk 21. Cost 346 rands, high 370, low 322. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, Walk 22. Cost 351 rands, high 376, low 326. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2023. First and foremost cost at 342 rands. Exorbitant cost 429, while low cost 299. The found the middle value of cost 368. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 401. Change for February 17.3%. Torrential slide estimate for Walk 2023. First and foremost cost at 401 rands. Exorbitant cost 486, while low cost 310. The found the middle value of cost 413. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 454. Change for spring 13.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2023. In the first place cost at 454 rands. Exorbitant cost 564, while low cost 454. The found the middle value of cost 500. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 527. change for April 16.1%. Torrential slide gauge for May 2023. To start with, cost at 527 rands, exorbitant cost 527. While low cost 412. The found the middle value of cost 477. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 443. Change for May 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at 443 rands, excessive cost 443. While low cost 346. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 401. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 372. Change for June 16.0%. Torrential slide figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 372 rands, excessive cost 450. While low cost 372. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 404. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 421. Change for July 13.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2023. Initially cost at 421 rands, excessive cost 430. While low cost 374. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 407. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 402. Change for August 4.5%. Torrential slide figure for September 2023. Initially cost at 402 rands, excessive cost 402. While low cost 314. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 364. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 338. Change for September 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 338 rands, excessive cost 419. While low cost 338. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 372. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 392. Change for October 16.0%. Torrential slide conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 392 rands, excessive cost 392. While low cost 306. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 355. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 329. Change for November 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 329 rands, excessive cost 329. While low cost 257. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 298. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 276. Change for December 16.1%. Torrential slide conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 276 rands, excessive cost 276. While low cost 216. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 250. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 232. Change for January 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at 232.